Good evening, everyone. Today, we will be presenting the progress of our PBL project. Before we begin, allow me to introduce ourselves. My name is Hafidz Desprana S, and this is my partner.
My name Annisa Munama Zida.
Okay, now let's dive into the presentation. Here's the table of contents, where we will cover 6 key points as shown as below. This training program focuses on the technology-based education, specifically on developing skills in computer-aided design as known as CAD and 3D printing. It was designed to meet the increasing industrial need for workers with digital expertise in design, manufacturing, and production. Participants will learn how to use SolidWorks for design and get hands-on experience turning their design into physical models with 3D printing machines. The training aims to provide participants with the skills to create innovative products. These skills can be the foundation for developing technology-based business like prototyping or making customized products. Okay, but now we go over the system requirements. First, we do a market analysis to identify the target participants and ensure the training meets their needs. Then we create a budget for the training and adjust it based on available funding. Next, we develop the proposal, which includes objective, benefits, schedule, and technical details. For marketing and registration, we promote the training through social media and open registration for up to 30 participants. Finally, we focus on implementation to bring the training to life. This image shows an example of a design created using SolidWorks. It demonstrates how the software helps us make detailed 3D models, which can be used for further manufacturing or 3D printing. The training is conducted offline, practice, and theory. The theory sessions will be held from 9 until 12, where we will cover an introduction to SolidWorks, followed by 2D to 3D design concepts. After that, each participant will work on individual design tasks. In the practical sessions from 13 until 17, we will explain how to use the 3D printing machine. This training follows a hands-on approach where participants get practical experience with guidance from the instructor, and each participant will receive their print design and a certificate at the end. Before the training, we make sure everything is ready. This includes checking that SolidWorks is installed and up to date, and confirming the 3D printing machine is working properly.
Okay, this is role and job description. Our field supervisor lecturer is Miss Mega Sari, Gunawan Jati Pamukas as our team leader, and this is our member. First, Annisa Munama Zida as administrative, Muhammad Hafidz as financial and curriculum development, Muhammad Fikri as event coordinator, Winda Adila as marketing, and Olivia as editing and documentation. And this is our giant chart. This giant chart includes 7 job desks that are editing and documentation, marketing, administrative, finance, curriculum development, event organizer, and team leader. Of course, Our achievement is 99%. And this is our obstacles. First, duration of 3D printing process, limited human resources, and internal conflict management. The biggest challenge faced is internal issue within the team, which can affect the effectiveness of program implementation. To overcome this, the conclusion, SolidWorks design and application to 3D printing technology training has great potential to improve participant skill in 3D design and printing. However, there are some challenges such as the long duration of 3D printing, limited human resources, and managing internal team conflict. With the right strategy, these obstacles can be minimized to achieve training success. And the next plan, first, 3D printing duration, second, team management, third, resource addition, and long-term program development. Key priority are to accelerate technical process, improve team collaboration, and expand and sustain the program through module development and strategy partnership. These aim to ensure the training can be more effective and sustainable in the future.
That's all for our presentation. We apologize for any mistakes and thank you for your attention.